For those of you who have no idea what a Makerspace is,
Today we're hosting the Makerspace Open House. The Makerspace is Coastal's central rapid prototyping facility. Anytime people want to make or fix something, this is probably the best resource for them on campus. A rapid prototyping facility is really interesting and really exciting, especially in a university. We've got so many different majors, so many different studies, and this is kind of one place where everyone can make something awesome and tangible with their skills.
It's really cool. I like that it has so many different options and like different tools that we can use here on campus.
It's actually pretty intriguing. I've never even learned about this stuff before, so this is kind of a new experience.
You'll realize really quickly if you forgot to turn on the filter because the room will get all smoky.
This is our DCD 304 Interactive Methods class. The Makerspace is so integral to how I was excited to design this course.
In the fall semester, we were only open for classes, but now starting this semester, we're completely open for drop-ins. Once or twice a day, there's a certification workshop. You can come in, learn everything you need to know to get started on one of these machines.
They're willing to lead our class through learning all of the steps from scratch to making a final product.
Anytime that you want to make something physical, we've probably got a tool for it. 3D printers, laser cutters, vinyl cutters, we've got a large format printer, we've got sewing capabilities, hand tools, VR, really all kinds of equipment.
The Makerspace is such a huge boon to the university to have students feel that they have a space to come in and make projects. I think this is going to be such a cool, huge thing for everyone at the university.